Hello and welcome to the Tigrepup channel. In this video, I'll be doing a review and demo of Homegoal's Dry Your Head. If this topic interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you some of the images that are on the actual website to kind of give you a 360 and a description of what this dry your head looks like. Honestly, I think they went a little too far, making it like a head and then the dryer fits in his mouth. It's kind of extreme, but other than that, I mean, I'll let you know as the video progresses my thoughts and opinions on this particular item. And you can determine whether or not you want to make this purchase yourself, okay? Okay, so right here I'm just showing you how long it took to ship. I purchased it on the same day that I actually got it. So, but I have Prime shipping, so that may have something to do with it. But I was pretty happy about how fast I got my item. Okay, so right here we're just taking a look at the reviews. As you can see, it's 77% or 4.5 out of 5 people were very happy in this particular item, and I'll be letting you know of my opinion as the video progresses. So just keep watching. Okay, so right here I've included some of the bad reviews, as you may or may not know. The first thing I look at the bad reviews. So as you can see here, a couple of people complaining somebody's head has melted. So I guess that is a reason for concern, because we don't want any fires to be started in our homes and whatnot. So I took this very seriously, and if you read the actual website, this is the video of the lady whose head had melted. It says do not use high heat, and I'm not sure if you saw in the background, she had a silver bird dryer, handheld dryer, and I'm experienced with that. I used that when I was, doing hair back in those days. Those dryers are pretty heavy, and they get really, really hot. So I could see how if she had this on high heat, it's just my speculation that that thing would have melted, that head would have melted. So that's my particular opinion on the matter. The directions specifically say either use cool, cold, or warm temperature on your dryer. So I would like you to keep that in mind if you do make this purchase, because we don't want anybody's house to melt, product to melt, our house to burn down or catch fire or anything like that. So I think it's very important that we recognize that. Okay, so here I'm doing an unboxing. It says higher quality, better life on the box or whatever. I'm not exactly sure what all of that's supposed to have to do with a head, but okay, we're going to continue. So I'm opening it up for the first time. It was a little bit difficult to figure out how I was supposed to use this item, but we're going to go over that in a second. I'm going to show you as we continue. Okay, so here's what the head is looking like. It's silver. And me, I'm just looking at the little striations or stripes along the head. I thought that was pretty interesting. And it comes with 2 straps, as you can see here. And we're going to take a look right quick. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Also, if you feel my videos are helpful or beneficial and you would like to make a contribution to my Cash App, well, here it is, and I'll try to leave a link in the description section down below. Thank you. Okay, so right here I'm just giving you a 360 of what a wig looked like once I've completed rolling it, okay? And I'm going to make an effort to try to unpin it while it has the roller, which is the rollers in it, which is kind of difficult, but it's worth it because we're going to test out this dryer. Now, I've been using it for quite a while and I'm quite familiar with it, so I'm going to give you some tips. The first thing I would like to say is that it doesn't fit properly on the stand, on my stand. Any stand that I have, the hole is very small. Just real quick, this clamp here, it's supposed to adjust the wig to the actual head thing, and the little drawstring at the bottom is to make sure it like sits snug, so you pull either side of the wig at the same time, okay, as you can see here. And here is the dryer. I had to look online to figure out how to do it. This particular string has a hook, and you just pick any slot or hole or whatever, put your dryer in the mouth, which is ridiculous, and then you put the other thing in the hole on the other side, okay? And now your dryer is ready to dry your wig. Hey, did you know I sell wigs? I sell 5x5 closure wigs of varying cap sizes, cuts, colors, styles, okay? And I'm going to be getting into lace frontal, but right now I'm just doing the closure wigs because it's easier to maintain and whatnot, and it's beginner friendly. So if you were in the market to purchase a closure wig, then please check out my webpage, as you can see, at www.Tigrepupbeauty.com. Tpup is short for Tigrepup to make it a little bit easier instead of a long text. So check it out. Thanks for watching.
Tigre got the wigs, you gotta come through. Tigre's what you need to be a brand new you. Tigre wigs. Tigrepup Beauty.
Okay, so right here I'm just showing you the hair is still damp at the very bottom. So that's one issue that I had with the actual head, is that your ends at the very bottom that doesn't have any contact with the head of the thing, it doesn't dry the hair all the way at the bottom. Right here I'm just kind of like showing you what that's looking like. The interior is pretty dry, as you can see, but the ends are not. So you can either do one of two things. One thing is to dry it out, you know, at the end, or let it air dry, okay? Right here I'm just showing you the cap. As you can see, we're pretty dry. And I have another option coming up, but you have to use it at your own discretion, okay? Okay, so right here I'm just showing you that when I dry the wigs, I actually use a plastic cap to kind of trap in that heat. Like I said, you have to use this at your own discretion, because if anything should happen, it'll more than likely be your fault, because the directions do not say to do that. So I would say use a bit of caution and only do this when you can attend and watch the wig yourself. And again, please do not use high or hot heat on this thing, because like you saw before, the woman's head had melted, and we don't want any fires or anything like that, okay? So just keep that in mind. And if you do decide to use the plastic bag like I did, like I said, you just keep, even if you don't use the plastic bag, just monitor it, okay? Do not leave your house or anything like that, or leave it unattended. Just my tips, and thank you for watching, okay? Thank you. Okay, so before I forget, I would like to say I definitely would recommend this product. I think it's worth the price. It's pretty cheap, and just please keep in mind cautions that I actually told you about not using the heat very hot, okay? Using either medium or low heat, temperature, whatnot, and do not leave it unattended. And a special tip is to use the plastic bag, but use that at your own discretion, because the instructions do not say to do that. So that's just an additive that I felt like would help. Well, it does help me because I actually do use it, okay? Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.